friends, and hello, fellow vintage lovers. Welcome to a garage and estate sale haul. This haul includes vintage Christmas. It's been a while since I found any that was in good condition. Any vintage Christmas pieces, that is. So I'm excited to show you guys that. I've got some cat items, some mid-century goodies, and yeah. So I want to remind you guys, I do have a sale tomorrow, Saturday at noon Eastern, 11 a.m. Central Standard Time on my channel. It will be a solo sale. I'll have at least 30, maybe 35-ish items available in the sale. And perhaps I will have a special guest joining me. We shall see. I hinted at it yesterday. It just depends on what's happening tomorrow. Loretta says hello, and she sure hopes that you can make it tomorrow. She has been very vocal today. Here we go. Now they're all getting involved. They're saying hi. Oh, there were 4 dogs sitting at the edge of the bed just howling away. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so I've mentioned the sale. It's time for the haul. Okay, guys, so I went to a really fun garage sale last week, and they had a lot of holiday items. I had just a small amount of cash. It was cash only, so I was only able to pick up a few things. This was the most important thing for me to get. It is this amazing wood carved nativity. It is definitely vintage. I don't know where it's from, but it is wonderful. Look at the star. Look at it. It is just so cool. I absolutely love it. I'm trying to kind of show you there on the inside. Amazing, right? I love it. Then back here, so this was kind of neat. I picked this beautiful piece up, this vintage Christmas wall art, and the woman that made it actually sold it to me. Which made it even more special. She did a wonderful job. I love the candles and the poinsettia. It's just really cool. It does come with a little rod there to hang it. This is not vintage Christmas, but I wanted to include it. This is just a linen tablecloth. I think it's square. I kind of ran out of room to display it, but I thought I would go ahead and show it. It is very pretty with the pink roses there. Then I got these little vintage angels. I think these are German. I could be very wrong, so if you know, let me know. Zoom in on these cuties for a second. They're all playing instruments, which I love. Here's a harp. They're so sweet. I love them. Violin. Let me see, are they marked anywhere? I don't think they are. If y'all know where they're from, let me know. They've got the little hooks there on top. Oh my gosh, accordion. And here is the last one. Oh, it's a guitar. These are so fun. Then I got, excuse me, that's just a piece of string. I'm losing my voice. It's early in the morning. Yes, it's cold. Even though it's only 61, it feels colder in my house for some reason. I got these 3 little dwarves from Snow White and the 7 Dwarves. I don't know who they are. I don't remember all their names, but they're really cute. They're ornaments. They've got the little hole right there. Is this Doc? I think so. I'm sorry about nothing focusing. There we go. Looks a little bit better, right? Then I got these 2 bunnies, y'all. We're nowhere near Easter, but I had never seen these before. I think they're Unesco. No, they are Norlands. And look at them. So you've got this little girl bunny and a little boy bunny, and they're sleeping, and they're so cute. Next to them, oops, I got this little ceramic mouse, this little Christmas mouse. He is super cute. Does he have a little chip? Well, no, it's not rough. You know what? He may not even be ceramic. He feels acrylic. He is Artco, made in Taiwan. So cute. Then back here, I had never seen these before. Look at these elves, y'all. Look at them. They have hair. They're all in wonderful condition. These are Artco as well. Look at the hair. Was so tickled when I saw these. Now this one doesn't have hair. I'm assuming it's intentional, but they're all wearing the cutest little Christmas outfits, these little red dresses. I love them. They're each different. So she's got a bell. I mean, look at them. Ah, they're so cute. Then I got this nesting doll, the Santa nesting doll. I'm not gonna open it all up because I think everybody understands the nesting dolls, but yeah, I just thought he was super cool and I love him. Then back here are the items I picked up at the estate sale. Is this it? I think this is everything I got. I got this amazing blue glass ashtray. Now, unfortunately, I did leave my black light upstairs when I did the sale last night. Let me zoom back out. It's just this beautiful mid-century, gorgeous ashtray. No damage on it. Back here, so I don't always get Jim Shore when I see it. And I didn't even comp it. I just thought this was super cute. It's called Old Salty. So you've got the semen here. And then you've got this kitty. It is so cool. This is a larger piece, as you can see. And it's wonderful. So I mentioned it before, but the estate sale that I went to, the woman collected cats and shoes. So I got a few of each. But I just thought that was super sweet. Then they had this mid-century chalice or goblet. Yeah, just freaking fantastic. I love it. Then here, so I got this. Who remembers these 70s, you know, abstract-y brass art pieces? I got this one. It has this seagull on it. Just absolutely incredible. It has a rock base here. It's super, super fun. Then I got this little vintage coyote. He is probably onyx. Yeah, he's onyx. He's really cute. I know a lot of people love these, including myself, so I had to get that. Then I got this Bastet piece. So the Egyptian goddess. Not quite sure if I'm keeping her yet. I do collect Egyptian items. I don't have this. I do have some Bastets, but I don't have one that looks like this with the scarab and the eye, so I'm not sure. It's got a velvet base. I think it's probably a souvenir piece, but it is wonderful. It is tall. I think you can see it pretty well. She's incredible. Then back here, I got a Riesling bottle. Believe it or not, I think this is the first or second Riesling bottle I've ever picked up, the cat bottle, the figural bottle. It is a milk glass. It looked like there was a little bit of wear on it. Just going to show it because I do have some people that buy from the hauls. Right there on the side, there's a little bit of wear, but other than that, it's in wonderful condition. So I picked that up. Is that everything? That cannot be. I think it is, y'all. Super quick haul. Let's consider this a preview for tomorrow as well. I can't believe I did that so fast. So again, tomorrow, noon Eastern, 11 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Pacific, here on my channel. I hope you guys can make it. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. I cannot believe it is almost Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh. So guys, thank you so much for your continued support. I love you guys so much. Take care. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye. I knew I was forgetting something. There's no way it could have been that fast. I also got this at the estate sale. This is a Gemco straw dispenser. Who remembers these? It is wonderful. I had it drying. It was on my drying rack because it was dirty. I found this one in the garage at the estate sale. And yeah, it's wonderful. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm not sure if the light is doing the top justice, but it's this beautiful dark green color. It is not blue. It could be reflecting the blue from down there. But anyway, there you go. There's also a straw dispenser. Okay, guys. I mean what I said. I love you. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.